Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will share this source code widget, and this is called EditText. In Android, EditText is a standard entry widget in Android apps. It is an overlay over TextView that configures itself to be editable. EditText is a subclass of TextView with text editing operations. We often use EditText in our applications in order to provide an input or text field, especially in forms. The most simple example of EditText is login or sign in form. If you are interested in this kind of content, please press the subscribe button at the bottom of this video, and please select all of the notification bell to be notified of all my next videos.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands.
So that's all guys for this video. I hope you learn a little. And again, to those who want this kind of content, please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.